information is in the description below. With the package, they sent this dust bag for the wig, this cute pouch here, this hologram pouch, and inside it has a wig band for your edges and this cute edge brush. It also came with this really cute purple bonnet as well as a wig cap. This wig is a highlight loose wave wig. It is a closure, and I believe it's in 14 or 16 inches. I'm not quite sure, but I'll have the details in the description below. You can see the construction of the wig. This is transparent lace. It has your combs at the side, the combs at the back or at the bottom, and a elastic band, as well as the additional 2 elastic bands at the bottom. So overall, this wig is constructed really well. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So one thing I love about closures is that the install is super simple. I'm just starting off with a transparent wig cap, and I'm just going to spray only the front of my hairline where the lace is going to be. I'm using my Got to Be Free spray to do so. So I'm just going to give it a little spray and then blow dry it. After it's dry, I'm going to take my scissors and cut off the excess wig cap. Because this wig cap is super thin, once you get closer to like your skin and everything, it gets a little bit harder to cut. But really, I think it's because I need thinner scissors. But it's fine because I absolutely love these wig caps. They work the best. So after I cut off the excess cap, I'm going through with some rubbing alcohol and a Q-tip, just to clean up my hairline, like in any areas where I may have gotten extra free spray. Next, I'm taking my black opal cream makeup and a flat top kabuki brush, I think that's what it's called, and I'm putting it all over the wig cap just to color the wig cap. I'm also going to go through with my lace tint. I got this from the beauty supply store, and I'm going to spray the lace of the closure. I did bleach the knots, but I do like to tint the lace as well because it helps it blend more with my natural complexion. Now I'm using my Wig Dealer hair glue, and I'm applying a thin line across my hairline, like where the wig cap is at, and I'm spreading it out gently with my edge brush. I didn't want to use like a whole bunch of glue for my closure wig because I am eventually going to go through with my wig bond spray here and spray a layer of this as well. In my opinion, it helps my wig stay better, even though I could have just used more layers of wig glue. Honestly, truly, I just like using the combination of the two. And once the glue spray combination has gotten tacky, I'm going to pull the closure forward and melt it in with my comb. I really should be using the back of my comb because the back of my comb helps it melt better, but here I decided to use the front of my comb for some reason. But after this, I went through with my hot comb as well just to melt it even better, which, I mean, honestly, it melted fine with just the comb itself. In my opinion, the heat may help it seal, but I also could just be completely making that up. So something that I love about this wig is that it's not very hard to like part it. Like it already has like a pretty good parting space, particularly for a middle part. So really all I had to do was go through with my hot comb just to flatten out the top a little bit to get my part to show how I wanted it to. So I really realized at this point here that it's my scissors that affects the way I cut like lace and the cap. Like I really need to invest in a good pair of thin scissors, but nonetheless, I was able to get the lace off, and I also went through with my what is that freaking thing called? My razor. And now I'm just going through with my Got to Be Free spray and spraying it along the hairline. This helps the lace blend with my scalp or my forehead. Also, because this is a bob wig and it's giving very much grown up, very much grown and sexy. I didn't want to go too crazy with the baby hairs, but I also needed baby hairs. Like, I'm sorry, they are a crutch for me. I can't not do them. Maybe one day I'll be able to do a wig without baby hairs, but for now, I'm not that grown. So I'm just doing like two baby hairs, like on each side. Nothing too thick, nothing too crazy. I like it too because it helps cover the ends of the closure, because sometimes it can be a little thick on the sides. And also, I just like how it looks when your hair is pushed back. So, yeah, I'm just doing my edges now. And by the way, I'm using my black eco gel to swoop down my edges. This is my new go-to. I used to use foam and all of that back in the day, but I don't know, foam don't it doesn't work for me, or maybe I just don't know how to work it. But me and gel, we get along a lot better, so that's what I'm using. So now I'm just using my favorite Edge Booster wax stick, and by favorite, I mean the only one that I've ever used. Taking my wax stick and I'm applying it along the front of my hairline as well as the top of my head, and I'm just gonna hot comb it to smooth everything into place. I don't know if this was too necessary, but yeah, yes it was. Just to smooth everything into place and get like all the fine hairs and stuff in order, how they should be. And now I'm gonna go through with my scissors, the same dull scissors, but I'm not going to play my scissors like that because they have been getting the job done in the past. But I'm just going to cut a little bit of layers in the front. This wig is already layered, but I just like shorter layers around my face to frame my face. So now I'm just taking my favorite curling iron and curling the pieces of hair in the front away from my face just to like shape my face and add a little bit of volume to the hair. I really love this curling iron. Um, and so now after that, I'm going to take my hot comb and really just add a couple of finishing touches to make the hair flatter and on the inside. That's why I took my hot comb. And then I'm going to go back with my curling iron and curl the pieces in the front. But after that, the style honestly is pretty much done. I'm just going to go through one more time with my free spray and spray it across my hairline just to make it blend and get rid of that like whiteness. Um, yeah, and to make it like seamless. But yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. This style is so simple and easy. You can see I love closure wigs because the hairline comes out really, really well. The curls were pretty much already in the wig. I only had to curl the front, and it's because I cut it. But this wig has so much body and shine and bounce, and it's so easy to install. Literally only took like 30 minutes total, and that's only because I was taking my time. But the hair is nice. I don't get any tangling or shedding or anything like that. It has a really good like shine and bounce. It's so bouncy, as you can see, and I love the color. But anyways, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Adios till next time.